Sorry for disturb again and again, बच्चा. 10 to 250 divisible by 4. 10 is not divisible by 4. So next number 11 not divisible. 12 divisible. So 12 plus 4 plus 4 plus dash dash dash. 250 not divisible by 4. 249 not divisible by 4. 248 it is divisible by 4. These all are the number in between 10 to 250 which are divisible by 4. Now first number always it is A. Difference second number minus first number. And the last number Tn is equal to 248. We have to find out how many numbers which are divisible by 4 between 10 to 250. What is the question? How many numbers means n divisible by 4 from 10 to 250. So n is question. Tn is equal to A plus n minus 1 d. I told you that when you have to find n, don't open the bracket. So n Tn is equal to 248. A is equal to 12, and we have to find out D is equal to 4. This always this side. Two, 3, 6. Now first I have taken this side, then I will take this down side. Four. 59 forza. This side minus or plus. This is the first number, second number, third number. How many numbers? There are 60 numbers from 10 to 250 which are divisible by 4. 60 numbers which are divisible by 4 in between. For rest of it is okay. Just 2 minutes wait, bacha. Automatically it will be clear. Otherwise you can tell me. 17th term and 10th term, there are 7 difference. Find the common difference. 17th difference. 17th number is 7 more. What is the condition it is given? 7 more than in series. 10th number is 7 more than the T17. It is given. We have to find out D difference. So Tn is equal to A plus n minus 1 D. Again Tn A plus n minus 1 D. 17th given, 10th given, that is why I have written 2 times. So T17th n is equal to 17. 10th number. Now T17th. 17 minus 1, 16D. T10, 10 minus 1, 9D. Now what is given? T17 is equal to 7 more than T10th number. Now this much is A plus 16D. 7 I have written. T10 A plus 9D. A get cancelled. This comes this side. first line as a question they have given 17th term is exactly 7 more than 10th term. So Tn is equal to a plus n minus 1d, Tn is equal to a plus n minus 1d, T 17 minus 1 16, 10 minus 1 is equal to 9. Now I will write this condition again. What is the answer of this? A plus 16d. What is the answer of this? A plus 9d. This is the 7. Now simplify. Therefore d is equal to, we want the difference. Finally we want the difference. Now one more thing I want to explain. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. First term is this, second term is this, third term is this, fourth term is this, 10th term, 12th term, 15th term, 100th term. That we have seen. Now sum of first term is equal to 2. Sum of two term is equal to 4 plus 2, 6. Sum of three terms, 6 plus 4, 10 plus 2, 12. Sum of four term, it is 20. Sum of five term, 30. Now we will learn sum of S1 means only one, S2 means first and second, S3 means first, second, third, S4 means 4 plus third, third plus 2 plus 1, S5, 5 plus 4 plus 8 plus 2 plus 1. Now new part, S instead of T will be introduced. How? A is equal to given 6, B is equal to given 3. Find out sum of 27th term. Sum of 27 term. Now new formula, Sn is equal to n by 2 in bracket 2a plus n minus 1 d. Look at Tn formula, Sn formula. Sn means up to that term total. Suppose S5, so 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5. S3, so 1 plus 2 plus 3. S means sum of that much term. Now Sn, n is equal to 27, so S27. N is equal to 27. A means 6, N means 21, so here you can write N is equal to 27. Difference is also given, so S27, 6 2s are 12, 26 3s are 27 by 2, 6 is a 18 1, 25 3 is a 25 3 is a 75, 26 3 is a plus 3 more, 70 80 90. This will cancel. So that we have to find out TS27. Now 45 into this, 45 into 27, so 45 plus 26 into 45, so 45 plus 13 into 90 plus starting point is 6. Every time it will increase by 3. 6 plus 9 plus 12 plus 15 plus 18 dash 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 dash. Total 27th term. So from here to here, what will be the total? 1 2 1 5. No need to show this. Find the sum of first 123 even natural number. Even and natural. 2 4 6 this up to, so natural number is 123. First number, second number, third number, dash up to t 123. That is given, and we have to find out the sum. Okay, now a is equal to 3, difference is equal to 2. A we have, D we have, N we have. So again like this, Sn is equal to n by 2 in bracket 2a plus n minus 1d and 123 numbers. 2 into a, correct, plus 123 minus 1, difference is 2. 123 divided by 2, 3 to the 6, plus 1 2 2 because minus 1 into 2. 1 2 3 divided by 2, 6 plus 2 4 4, and it is 250 into 123 divided by 2, half 123 into 125, correct. So 125 into 3 separate, 125 into 120 separate, so 500, this is forza, divided by this, and this is, so it is 15375. First number, second number, third number, 8, 10, like that, dash. So first, second, third, last number is 123. So add all that. When you will all add by calculator, you will get this. How I have done 123 into 125? I have not done. I have done 120 into 125, then 3 into 125 means 123. I have multiplied this by 4, so it is 500. I have divided this by 4, so it is 330. Then 1, 2, 3, 0, and 5 is a 50. 3 into 100, 300. 3 into 25, 75. Now add. So there are lots of calculation method. You can create your own, how you can multiply odd number, even number, when number is ended with 5, number is ended with 0. There is a special different type of calculation seminar that I take when the school reopen, but these are the small things. Next, find the sum of all even number. Even from 1 to 130. Even 1 to 130. No, 350, sorry. Find total. From 1 to 350. Only even, not odd. Even means what? 2, 4, 6, 8, dash, up to 350 only, and 350 is even. So that we can take. If it is odd, so 350 we cannot take. We can take 3, 4, 9. Okay. So first we have to find out how many numbers. Suppose from 1 to 350. Forget about this long. 1 to 10. How many odd? 5 numbers odd, 5 number even. 1 to 100. How many odd? How many even? 1 to 100. 50 odd, 50 even. 150 total number. 175 odd, 175 even. But how to get 175? That is from Tn. How many numbers? So A is equal to 2 number. Difference is equal to 4 minus 2 is equal to 2 number. And the last number Tn is equal to 350. And we don't know, because for Sn we need an n. Simple. Tn is equal to A plus n minus 1 d. So A, Tn is given 350. A is given. N is not given. This is given 2. This comes this side. So this is 348. Divide by 2. 174 plus 1. I told you that exactly half number always odd, half number even. For example, 1 to 10, 5 or 5, 100, 1 to 100, 50 or 50 even. Now we want Sn. So A is equal to 2, same. D is equal to 2, same. N is equal to 175. So Sn is equal to n by 2. Why students are calling? Don't call me. 2a plus n minus 1d. So Sn S 175 by 2, 2a, 2 into 2 plus n S 175 is equal to 175 by 2, 2 to the 4, 1 minus 174, double. 175, who is talking? 175 twos are 350. So 174 twos are 348. When we cut okay, we will not extend, we will continue with this only. So make it double, make it half. Again make it double, make it half. Again make it double, make it half. Again make it double. Now very easy. 0, 0, 803. So final this value is 30800. So again, even number divisible by 4, that is even. From 1 to 350. So 1 to 350, find the total. 2 4 6 8 dash 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 350, that is also even number. But how many number, that we don't know. First find out how many number, then we can find out Sn. So first number always A, second minus first always D, and last number always Tn. Last number is Tn. So Tn is equal to a plus n minus 1D. Tn is given, A is given, n is not given, D is given. When n is not given, don't open the bracket. 3, 4, 5th time I am telling the same question, same answer. So 2 this side, minus, then divide by 2, 174. Minus, always you have to separate A, then always you have to divide by D, then always you have to add 1. 1, 2, 3 step. This calculation only when you have to find out n. Okay. Now we have A, we have D, we have n. N we got from 350 half or half even. So A 2 and 175, D 2. This is 175. This carry I have 2 3 times. 2 to the 4. 174. 5 minus 1 is 174. Double 348 plus 4 352. Half half. Now I don't know the table of 175 to 176. 1 double, 1 half. Again 1 double, 1 half. Again 1 double, 1 half. Again 1 double, 1 half. Now how to multiply by 11? First number same. From last number is same. 1 plus 2, 0. 0 plus 0, 0. 0 plus 8, 8. 0, 8 plus 2, 10. So 0. Carry 1. 2 plus 1, 3. So final answer 175 to 176 is equal to 30800. So this chapter is very easy. You have to take interest. Only there is a little bit confusion in last term and Sn. Last term is your Tn and n means number of turn. That's it. Today one new formula I will introduce. Sn formula. Sn is equal to n by 2 in bracket 2a minus hello. No.